Hello everyone, this is Trilok Singh Bisht, the principal of Delhi Public School Ghaziabad, Vasundhara branch. I must tell you, ladies and gentlemen, DPSGV is a school which works on the ideology of student-led, inquiry-based education, where the children are given the freedom to, look for their way of learning. Some children learn with the kinesthetic skills, some children learn with the musical or rhythmic skills, some children learn the things with some or the other multiple intelligence. Howard Gardner in 1983 had talked about that earlier on we used to feel that, whatever the intelligence we are born with, we die with the same. It was quite static. But in 1983, with a lot of research, Howard Gardner talked about the intelligence, multiple intelligence, that is 9 kinds of intelligence can be developed in the children. It is a very dynamic process. So we in our school are utilizing all those 9 principles. We are trying to tap the potential of the child. What is the style of learning for a particular child? And that learning is given, the wings are given to the child with those learning styles only. I believe, the kind of education which we are giving is learner-centric, where the parents are also involved, because we believe in competency and skill-based education. We just do not want our children to mug up the things and vomit out in the examinations and forget the next year. So therefore, the way we have been going forward with the new education policy, which has been started in July 2020, but I must proclaim very proudly, at DPSG society level, we have already done this at a next level already. For the last so many years we have been using it this way only, that the learner-centric education is taken into account. Our children are given top priority. Whatever the learning style they have, we try to give them a little discussion portal where the children discuss with each other. They understand what and how they can hone up their interpersonal skills and intrapersonal skills. Keeping all this in mind, we have been working on giving a well-rounded personality to each child who enters the portals of DPSGV. So I would just want you people to visit our school virtually, or you're more than welcome to come to our school and visit the school and feel the difference. Why we are known the entity in the whole educational scenario. Every parent has our school as a first choice to get the admission for pre-primary till class 12th. Why? There must be a reason. And for that reason, you need to visit the school, feel the difference, and get the admissions of all your nears and dear ones, because we have limited seats for the pre-primary school. We have not more than 200 students in the pre-primary. So one has to come and talk to our admission counselor. We do get a lot of applications, but many get rejected. I don't want that to happen. So we have increased the capacity this year so that no parent is deprived of getting the DPSG brand to their child's platter. With this, thank you so much. God bless all of us.